How to remove virus from your PC without downloading or using third-party antivirus software. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to remove your virus from PC without any third-party application. The first thing you want to do here is open up your settings, go to Start menu, and then click on Settings. Once your settings opens up, you need to basically go ahead and go to Privacy and Security and then find Windows Security here. Click on it. Once on Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection. It's going to open up a separate window for you. Now go ahead and start a quick scan for virus and threat protection. And it's going to scan all of your files and see if there are any viruses available. Then go ahead and click on this Manage Settings for Virus and Threat Protection settings. Make sure that you enable this real-time protection as well as the write protection, including all of these other protections as well. Once that is done, you can see here if there are any available threats for you. You could also see a protection history from this, and you should be good to go. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.